Hi, welcome to PRINTABLE channel. As it is the season of love like this, let's do some DIY project for your friends and colleagues. I'm not sure what do other people celebrate Valentines in other countries. However, in Thailand, not only lovers celebrate it, but also among friends. We buy a small gift to our friends and give them a heart-shaped sticker. When I was in school, the more popular you are, the more heart-shaped stickers you get. And then today I have this 4 DIY project to sprinkle the cuteness to your small gift. So let's start with the first one. This first DIY, I would like to call it a mini heart project. For this project, it is very easy. However, you need some time to finish it. First of all, you need to download a die-cut shape template, which you will find is the link in the description down below, and then print it out. This time I use this rosiesstudio designed papers in the white flowers collection, and then I cut this designed paper in A4 size like this, then print out the die-cut template around here. Then I need a time to cut it out in a shape. And this is what you will get. But I need to die cut the eyes, nose and lip so that I can see the face from this side. Then I'll use this clear stampers so that I can get this cute little wooden box in the heart of this kitty. And I will put it on this paper, a multi-purpose color paper in lilac color. I got this great clear acrylic stamp-based stampers base from Everyday XQ is an IG shop, so I'll put the link of this shop down below. Okay, so this is a mini heart that will go to this little kitten. It will look like this. Okay, so I will stick this on top of this little kitten. This time I use a Croco double-sided tape once again. And get one of your heart-shaped chocolate. I will use this lilac color and put it on top here. And ask her to hug it like this. Voila! Show your love at de l'amour. For this second DIY, I will use the Hershey nuggets. And then I got the idea from notconsume.com. It's a blog with a bunch of printable, and actually I want to make a mini book from this chocolate. I need this one, so I've used one of the dark chocolate and then another one of milk chocolate. Okay, so this is there will be a shape of the books, and then I will choose a designed paper. I think that I will go with these flowers. So first of all, measure it. And then I'll make it to be a double because I want this design to see in two sides.
Voici une petite mélodie. Alors attention mes amis.
And then before I stick this book cover together, I use this leather string. Okay, I'll put it over here as a book binder, like this. Then use this Croco double-sided tape on top. So look like this. And then I'll attach these two Hershey's nuggets on the top of this book cover. Alright. Okay. Next step. I need to measure the length and the width of these two Hershey's. That will be... I plan to make this DIY for my musician fellows at church. Fold it in half. Before doing anything, I just need to write down something. And as I decided to give this DIY for my musician fellow at church, so I will use a Bible verse on top.
Aucun argent, aucun style, juste des vieux souvenirs d'une fille dans
Curl this paper slightly, not too much. It will look like this.
La vie nous réserve des ennuis, don't worry. Be happy.
Voila, a mini book we love because he first loved us, from the book of 1 John, chapter 4, verse 19. And then at the back look like this. You can decorate the cover if you want. From the same blog, I also got the idea about the mini card, and using this little heart-shaped chocolate as a part of the card, but in the blog they use a Bible verse. However, I decided to use a quotation about music or piano because I would like to give this to my piano students. So once again, I go back to this design paper from White Flower collection and choose this denim that I do love it. Alright, here's our journal card. I'll choose a quotation, and it should be the quotation that use the word heart or love involved, because I will use this heart-shaped chocolate instead of that word heart, as I'm gonna give this card to my piano students. So I chose the quotation from Michel de Montaigne. Yeah, he's a French Renaissance philosopher, and one of his very favorite quotation is that love is like playing the piano. First you must play by the rules, then you must forget the rules and play by your heart. Very sweet.
Voici une petite mélodie. Alors attention, mes amis, don't worry. Be happy.
Okay, so look like this. Love is like playing the piano. First you must play by the rules, then you must forget the rules and play by your heart. I secure the chocolate with this sellotape because it'll be easier to stick the double-sided tape here, something like this. Now let's move to the final DIY that I got from nobiggies.com, and They say that they use the Hershey nutcase to make it look like a little mailbox. And then I got this paper is left from my DIY Christmas project DIY, and I got to put this one on top of it. So I need to first of all make a corner to be a round shape. So I use this and then attach this two Hershey's on top of it. I will use a white paper to be like a roof. Can you call it the roof? At the cover of the mailboxes. So it is 3 centimeters with 8 centimeters. So I'll put this like this. Okay. However, we cannot just leave it to be a white plain paper. So I will use a designed paper. Put it on top here. Actually, you can use a masking tape if you want. Then attach the design paper on top of the white plain paper. Okay, here we go, and then we'll go to wrap it up like this to be a cover of the mailbox. Then I will attach this little heart shape on top. Soaking with glues. And then put it around here. I think should be fine. So this will be my little mailbox. And here are the 4 DIY projects for this coming Valentine. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe, and don't forget to share to your friends. If you have Twitter, please follow me at studyideas_. And also click like to my new Facebook fan page, Diybycroco NW. It's time to say goodbye. Have a nice and a great Valentine's Day. See you. Love you.